Have you ever wondered if the universe has a secret way of keeping things connected, even when they're ridiculously far apart? That's quantum entanglement. And honestly, it sounds like science fiction, but it's one of the weirdest real things in physics. So let's break it down. Imagine you have a pair of magic dice. Roll one in Mumbai and the other in London. No matter how far apart they are, when you check the first die, the second one instantly knows what number it should show. Like they're reading each other's minds. That's basically what's happening with entangled particles. In the quantum world, particles can become entangled, which means their properties get mysteriously linked. Tweak one, and the other reacts, even if it's light years away. Albert Einstein called it spooky action at a distance because not even he could believe it was real. Let's say you have two photons, tiny particles of light. Shoot them through a special crystal and they become entangled. Now, if I measure the spin of one photon, the entangled twin will have the exact opposite spin instantly. It's like a cosmic WhatsApp message with zero delay. But hold on, doesn't that break the laws of physics? Isn't nothing supposed to travel faster than light? Here's the wild part. Quantum entanglement doesn't actually send information faster than light. It's more like two coins that always land on opposite sides no matter how far apart you flip them. No messages, just perfect, bizarre coordination. So why does this matter? Well, quantum entanglement isn't just a mind-bending idea. It's the backbone of quantum computing and ultra-secure communication. Imagine computers that can solve problems millions of times faster than anything today, or messages that are physically unhackable. That's the dream, and entanglement is how we'll get there. But don't worry, you don't need to be a physicist to appreciate how wild this is. Quantum entanglement is a reminder that the universe is way stranger than we ever imagined. It's like nature's ultimate party trick, showing us that everything is more connected than we think. So the next time you look up at the stars, just remember, somewhere out there, two particles might be dancing in perfect sync, no matter how far apart they are. Thanks for hanging out with me for this quantum leap. If you enjoyed diving into the weird side of science, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep your curiosity entangled.